Photographer Mark Blast witnesses a large wave hit the Porthcawl Pier in the United Kingdom. A number of people are standing nearby to observe the power of Mother Nature, but they should probably get out of the way. Number 4. Giant storm surf hits a beach in Dorset, England, and is filmed from inside what looks like a lighthouse. The cameraman later ventures outside to show the carnage ensuing outside. Number 3. This lighthouse gets pummeled by a series of rogue waves during a storm. Rogue waves are significantly larger than normal waves, and are usually created when 2 or more waves combine. Number 2. One of the most iconic lighthouse photos was taken by Jean Gouchard, showing a massive wave hitting a lighthouse on the French coast. You can see the lighthouse keeper at the door, waiting to be rescued, but the surf was just too severe. He was forced to take refuge in the lantern room until a helicopter rescue was possible. The keeper later said in an interview he would have been swept off his feet and killed had he been standing just a little closer to the wave.